everyone, welcome back. You haven't gotten rid of me yet. I'm here to do the third series, the summer series, in this bloom tile display I'm making. And let me show you what I've got for the two green ones, the two spring ones. So that's where we are. So this will go in my little grouping of 4 tiles to represent the seasons. Just want to point out, for those of you that are new to YouTube, if you want to know the details about what paints and techniques and things I'm using, click on the title and hit the drop down arrow, or hit where it says show more, and it'll open up all of the details about that particular video. So just so you know. And if you haven't subscribed yet, consider subscribing if you like it. I put out about 3 videos a week and I try to mix it up. I am on bloom for a little bit right now, so I'll probably have another week or so of this, and then I'll be moving on probably to cloud pour. So that's the lineup for today, going on to summer, and we will get you down onto the tile. All right, thanks for stopping in. Hi everybody. Okay, so here we are, back again. This is part 3 of my season tiles, and this is summer. So I'm going to make some summer tile here and see what we get. So I will have all the specifics about the colors in the description below. This is the same blue that I used for my son's wedding palette. It starts out with Amsterdam's blue-green, and it's got some other colors mixed in, which I don't remember off the top of my head, but I'll get that written down. This here is a combination of colors. It's Artist Loft, metallic cobalt blue, a dash of Arteza pearl, pastel green, and a dash of Titan green. Yeah, once you start getting to the end of paints, you start mixing things up and it becomes kind of convoluted. But this is summer, so. And then I think I mentioned this in the prior video. What I'm going to end up ultimately doing here is doing a massive dump, an open cup. Not an open cup. Yeah, an open cup or a flip cup with these colors, to use up all of these bloom colors. And this is Prismpour's Peach Dahlia. It is what it is. There's no extras in here. It's very like beachy. At least I think it is. Deep ocean colors. We'll see what we get. This is the Prismpour's Tuscan Sun. I gotta be careful with this yellow because it tends to want to overwhelm. It's really funny how some colors tend to take over the place. And that Tuscan Sun is one of them. And then I'm gonna end it all off with this Sky Blue, Pearl Sky Blue by Arteza. I only have a little bit of this left. This is definitely a watery looking color. I'm really curious to see how this is going to come out. These are some really different colors for me. Putting them all together, that is. Okay, the white and black cell activator. Give it a spin. Give my black a stir. All right. always want to put more on, and I always have to restrain myself. All right. It's really strange how some cell activators work differently from each other. In this particular batch, it's really slow to come back. And then I've had others that you just blow it out and it fills in. So I have yet to figure out the correct chemistry for that, or thickness or consistency. If I figure it out, I will let you know. Sometimes I'm just glad it's working. But I do find, I think that my Floetrol from Australia is thinner, and I usually have my ratios lower than the 3:1. It's usually like 2.5 or 2:1. Wow, this is really beachy looking, holy cow. All right, let's get the shields up. Give this guy a spin and see what we come up with. I'm gonna still give it a second. The middle is still sunken in. Let's make sure my tile is centered. Give her a whirl. Oh, that's some beachy colors. Ooh, summer. Holy smokes. Wow. You know, some days you just feel like you're in a groove. This is one of them. Man, it's all working. Every one of my tiles have worked the first time out. No test tiles taken. This is crazy. Pulled up old paints to make this. This is really pretty. Flinging paint, flinging it everywhere. That's looking really nice. Yeah, and you always see me cleaning up as I go because I don't want to get it splattering everywhere. And it works really well for me. I don't mind getting dirty a little bit. Yeah, but as I'm looking at it, as I'm cleaning up, I am looking at it as well. Spinning it. Getting a good picture of what it is. That definitely looks summerish to me. Let's see where we are with. The nice thing about this paint drippings is I'm hardly getting any bubbles in it. It's really nice. And it's all getting covered up anyway, so I'm just using recycled paint to make these tiles. Wow, this is really pretty. These lacings in here, unbelievable. So that's where we are with this one. Really nice, if I say so myself. Okay, I'm gonna clean him up, put him to bed. Wow. That's really nice. All right. Hey everyone, so that's a wrap. Thanks for stopping in. Just to let you know, both tiles have the same paint sequence. So, hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't subscribed, consider doing so. Hit the like and the bell, and take care.